Affordable eat all-you-can restaurant in a Palant, Pampanga. Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers a diverse and exciting range of buffet restaurants. Kusina and Aima in a Palant, also known as Lola Lucia's, is great for those looking for value for money. The restaurant offers authentic Kapampangan dishes in a buffet setting, providing a taste of the region's culinary heritage. Pampanga truly lives up to its reputation as a food lover's paradise, and its buffet scene offers something for every palate and budget. So while in Pampanga, enjoy your culinary adventure.